What's going on, fellow chicken nuggets? My name is Golden Cheeseburger and I'm back. What the hell was that? Today we are unboxing the new headset, of course, made by SADES. So, box, gaming headset, SADES, for PC and notebook, S708, and all this side is Japanese. Apart from the top. That is what it comes with. In different languages. Probably already know that though. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to open this. If not, I know how. The bubble wrap. It's there. Oh, so cool. It's tiny. So, I guess that's all for this video, fellow chicken nugget. Put that back in the box because I need that. Needs a warranty. Ow. Warranty goes back in there. That's closing. So that's all for this video, fellow chicken nuggets. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed. Yes. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this, with more awesome videos with these new headsets. So be sure to tell anyone you know to subscribe to me for more awesome content. That's all for this video. That's all for this video, fellow chicken nuggets. Bye bye, fellow chicken nuggets.